I promise the moon and I'm easy on basically man. This a scrap or microwave. Yes. So I give me microwave now. Don't know for quite friendly email. Lot of something in the quite important in local microwave. Kwa agiji kwa for kwa egeji ya rakwa wapium. Egeji ya ango egeji angro wife. Egeji angro hero la live la night. So I want one microwave. Yeah. Fabo microwave. Fabo microwave oh. The I'm going to order one. Mama family will put to fuel but Fabo 2016 microwave. But if we don't go to fuel with my money. Anyway, uh so let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. Just open it and see what you've got. Julie Potter. You send that one level money for our Greece. Okay. Then I quick call to Kawai under. The Magualanga Wayan no. Why alone walk away go? But Bicono, Ejima, aha Chile Calari on your bula. Obogon for why a man who got caught to all Bicono. Obogon Yasel and Cabego, Unu Jizia Lagala caught to them man. Con can get poker. Bicono. If I leave a bego, but I don't want your cigar within Calabagun Cao. Falile can la caught two way up say wire. I caught up the wire under. It's equal and a wire and land. Come a chow, nature can get happier within cage or with the transformer. But the morning, I'm like a caught to put us a wire under because little drop of water, for the can make a mighty ocean. In it to get a hinne. I bought a fake galley, give me a ring balaka. Yes, I. But the one tackle, I get my water until ye hit on. Oh, hit on again for a Lego Bella. Now, this is the transformer we are talking about. If I have transformer, though all 110. So the transformer, the microwave no one again report in Nigeria. The transformer again report because all 110 volts, all 110 volts. Either 110 volts. So again report in Nigeria. So the only thing I give me is scrap, yeah. But each when you use to do microwave in Nigeria, it means you look for step down. Or the find out step down. Or if you get your power before ya work. If not, once you plug na lock here blow ye. Okay, again no why. Ya ba man knockout. Okay, so now for this transformer now, for us to access this coil in not here now. Nke akwala nwa kopka okwa copper lo obo. Check m na nke copper o. Now, if I like one, you need to try the last video. In a microwave, in a washing machine. I got a moon like all the sum mbo copper, the condensed mbo alumi. Now, you just scrape what you find now. Find your out lola cha white, which means coil here now bo aluminium coil or bo copper. But if you coat to with this gold color. They coat that with gold color. So you get to copper, but a copper. So all this will do now. Like on copper. I got raise the on copper. I will say very cheap because of aluminium. So, but then I got it's some abu harog. I give up takwa. Yeah, me call one walk we go but talk about the price I give do man the other one. So we'll still cut it. Now, for us to cut it, you need to examine this thing very well. Again, for now, I didn't get many wedding. About oko. Eji fe taki oko langa. Taki alanga. Ataki kwa lofa. But, nkengi easy. Go either here or here. So I get cut one side of it now. To be able to reach out, to reaching this coil now. Don't forget safety. Uchianya. Now, you will defend the car punch. Tingalanga. From there. Now, eko halage anta krife. Yeah, mepe. See? It's open. Now, okay, be tack. So, eko ifalanda. Efanya. Opotala. Because coil, copper, coil, transformer when secondary and the primary side. Only when secondary and primary side. So, where abo need the pota. Where abo get pota. So, fine. Now, opotala. So, but I need to check the primary side too. So what about both the primary and the secondary both aluminium like when copper. Unlike the other one. So now if I'm basically the microwave. Now scrap on microwave. This is what we This is the copper in with another, the microwave transformer. And some pieces of wire, some small wires. So, if you can microwave anywhere, microwave adịghị mma detufuru etufu. Ma ọ bụ gị chọọkwa, jigakwa nga ndị nleresi ụmụ ife, scrap things. If you like ya, ga-ezuru ya, scrap wall onwe gị. You can scrap it by yourself. If washing machine, for microwave. All this is was motor lime. Ma ọ bụkwa no electric motor. Motor la electric motor. I think madam washing machine microwave, about microwave, they have pumping machine. Even generator. Generator generator. Whether mobile better pass my neighbor, mobile the other big generator. Coil na lime, coil imbuka copper na lime. So if you call generator la adege mma, etufu la adege arụ ọrụ, we buy it. Izu ọkwa scrap wa that coil ọhụ bịa bụ ife nle generate electricity ya ile ja plug ife na your house. So if kwa nke adege mma, imepekwa ime maybe in another video kwa I ga-esikwa unu mkpa esile wetakwa coil, esile wetakwa copper from ime generator. I wetakwa copper ime generator. Though like I said, abụghị legi dị 100% this in la ọ bụ copper legi nweta, you know for the nweta copper, you know for the nweta aluminium, but abụghị na ọbụla when they use aluminium ị nwere ike scrap or something, maybe 100, like let's say 80%. Yeah, but copper. Only 20% ga-ebuzi, you know, aluminium. So don't lose hope. Don't say when you can no. Aluminium adịcha because kamgbe mo onye bidoro this on self. Ọ bụghị every time na for the aluminium. So copper ka. You understand? Copper la aka karị. So ono fun na kpa isi wepụta microwave. So you can share the video with your friends. Ndị nchọkwara like room ife scrap in ya o, cause ife abụ abụghị onye ọbụla like ife scrap. But for somebody who nwere interest room ife ndị a, share the video to them, let them know how to, cause abụghị onye ọbụla ma ife nọ n'ime microwave. Ọbụghị onye ọbụla ma ife nọ n'ime washing machine. Ndị mmadụ wee buta washing machine o mebie wee tufuo, but all the something nọ n'ime ị ga-irekwa detakwa ego. You understand? And that is why we are here, to help you. Other for I just scrap web typing agare. We'll help, we share with you. Day one. Because subscribe to the channel. Just do us a favor and subscribe, share, comment, turn on the bell notification. So you know like why you can do video, then you'll be the first to know. One on them take a moon. Ụbọchị mara onye ọbụla mma. Ndewo.